So hello friends, welcome to our channel UPSC with Parmar sir. Myself Raja Parmar, and we are going with 10 minutes series of MP current affair. So let's start. Today what we are going to start is March month's current affair. So first important news from the March month is about Namaste Orchha event held in Orchha. So Orchha is important and we will cover in detail. The 3 days festival is held by Tourism Board of Madhya Pradesh government to promote tourism in heritage city of Orchha. So Nimari become the 52nd district of Madhya Pradesh. So it is separate from Orchha, so it is become important. So Orchha has won the Best Heritage City National Award for 2017-18. So important. Next one is Madhya Pradesh has ranked 3rd in the country for the overall implementation of Poshan Abhiyan under the category of large states. Andhra Pradesh topped the list. Poshan Abhiyan in India is flagship program to direct the attention of the country towards the problem of malnutrition and address it in the mission mode. It was earlier called as National Nutrition Mission. So important. Next the important one is National Chambal Sanctuary in Madhya Pradesh has been declared an eco-sensitive zone to prohibit activities which lead to pollution harming the local flora and fauna. It has an area of 435 square kilometer and is located across the district of Siopur, Morena, Bhind of Madhya Pradesh. So these 3 districts come under Chambal division. These all are covered by National Chambal Sanctuary. It has a wide range of population of different fauna, like up to 75% of gharials, 9 species of freshwater turtle, freshwater gangetic dolphin, and more than 180 species of migratory birds. So ecological fragile areas are come under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So ecological fragile area comes under Ministry of Forest and Climate Change. So this was important. And another one is Indore has become the first city in India to sanitize the city. First city in India. We all know, wherever we will talk about cleanliness, sanitation, we will definitely guess the Indore. So say Indore is the first city to sanitize the city. The drone will carry 16 liters of sanitizer in each flight and are capable of spraying the chemicals in an area spanning 8 to 10 kilometers, return after 30 minutes. So it was important. Next one is Ram Ban Gaman Path project. So Madhya Pradesh government has approved the form a trust for constructing Ram Ban Gaman Path project, which is the route taken by Lord Ram during 14 years of life in the forest. It is proposed to be constructed from Chitrakoot to Amarkantak. Important. Another one is Iqbal Singhvan has been appointed the Chief Secretary of Madhya Pradesh by newly elected CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan. So this is not important. Iqbal Singhvan, this is important name, so you have to remember it. Another one is from February months. So let's start. First important news is about Madhya Pradesh become the first state to launch unified vehicle registration card. Second, to launch unified driving license after UP. So now Madhya Pradesh driving license and Madhya Pradesh vehicle that move all that both the things can move all over India, or where that state government share that unified vehicle registration card. So it was important. Next one is Nimar Chili Festival. The first edition of Nimar Chili Festival has been started in Karswad by Madhya Pradesh government to promote the chili product in the state. So that is चिल्ली चाचा, मास्कट ऑफ फेस्टिवल, उन फेस्टिवल का नारा क्या दिया हुआ है, चिल्ली चाचा. This is important. Another one is Narmada Mahotsav is being organized at Amarkantak, Madhya Pradesh. So that we all know. Another one is the National Water Conservation at Bhopal Conference at Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. The conference is being held to finalize the guideline of Right to Water Act and also to address the water crisis in the state. So important. Another one is Land Records and Service Index 2020. So Land Records and Service Index has been released by the National Council of Applied Economic Research NCER, and Madhya Pradesh has emerged the best state in terms of digitizing of land records. So best state, that's why we have to remember it. Odisha was at second place, and Union Territory of Ladakh came last. So another one is Madhya Pradesh government in a first bill. No, Madhya Pradesh government is a first will now use a drone for mapping the village, replacing the land survey work which used to be drawn manually or through satellites. So this is important. Another one is Madhya Pradesh has won the first place implementation of Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana. So Indore has also ranked first the best performance in Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana, what is it? So the scheme is aimed to provide incentives of 5,000 rupees to compensate for the loss of wages of working women while ensuring proper rest and nutrition during pregnancy or after delivery of the first living child. The cash transfer will be made directly to the bank account through DBT, direct bank transfer. So cash incentives, the incentives of 5,000 is given in 3 installment. The first installment is rupees 1,000 rupees and will be given on early registration of pregnancy at the Anganwadi center. Approved health facility या फिर approved health facility. The second installment is 2,000 rupees, which will be given after 6 months of pregnancy on receiving at least one antenatal checkup ANC. The third and the final installment 2,000 rupees will be given after the registration of childbirth. So this was important. Another one is from January. So let's see first how many news are there. Only 8 news. Okay. I don't think so we will cover 8. So this we will cover in a separate video. Up to wait, please wait. Thank you. Goodbye.